find the sum of the geometric series, and I'm just going to start finding the first term. And the first term will be 1 over 6 times 2 to the power of 1 minus 1. We'll just plug in 1 for m, and that will be the first term. What about the second term? It will be just 2 minus 1. We're just going to plug in 2 for m, of course. And then the last term will be just 1 over 6 times 2 to the power of 8 minus 1. We'll just take the number on the top here and we plug it in over there. Awesome. So now we can just use the formula S equals A minus RL over 1 minus R, and that will give us the sum of the series. A is the first term, and what is the first term? It will be just 1 over 6. Is that okay? Because 2 to the 0 is 1. 1 times 1 over 6, just 1 over 6. Minus the common ratio, which in this case is 2. If you can't see that, just work out the second term, which in this case will work out to be 2 over 6, which is 1/3, and divided by the previous term. So 1/3 divided by 1/6 is 2, right? Because it can go 1/3 times 6 over 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that is the common ratio. Great. And we're going to multiply the common ratio by the last term, which is this guy over here. Now let's work that out though. I don't know what it is right now. It is 1/6 times 2 to the power of 7. Great. So 2 to the 7 is 128. And 128 over 6 just simplifies to 64 over 3. That's really as far as we can go there. So I'm just going to leave it as that. All over 1 minus 2. Great. Okay, so now we have, I'm just going to change color here because this is getting too sad just with the blue. And so 2 times 64 is 128 again. All over 3 over 1 minus 2, which is just actually -1. Okay, so I will combine 1 over 6 minus 128 over 3. I want to combine these fractions, so multiply the right fraction by 2 over 2 to get a common denominator, and the common denominator will be just 6, of course. 3 times 2, 6. 128 times 2 is 256, still all over -1, and 1 minus 256 is just -255, all over 6. And since we're dividing it by -1, I can just make this positive, and that will be the sum of our series, 255 over 6, which in decimal form is just equivalent to 42.5. That's it.